Well, this is the second leg of my trash run today, and it was a pretty good deal, and I ain't got a bit of it on video. I don't know what was going on with the camera, but it took a dump. But now I'm headed over to the other neighborhood. Hopefully, I swear I've lost total faith in this GoPro. I really have. But we'll see. I'm going over to the other neighborhood and Publix, and I wonder why this cash ain't picked up. And looky here, Ken. Express Environmental. And there's another one. And there's another one. Wow. Is that a bottle, or that's a bottle? Guess I got all the goodies. Well, right there's one. I guess. Yep, that's it. Well, okay. GoPro stopped recording. Don't tell me. You know what? That looks.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad.
You know what? What the hell? Is that drugs? Oh boy. You know what? Is that what they call crack? Oh my goodness. Well, should I call the police and turn it over to them and waste their time, or should I just destroy it? I think I'll destroy it. Let me put it in here for right now. I think I'll destroy it. Just call the police to waste their time. I ain't never found nothing like that. It sure looked like drugs to me. No, I ain't never found nothing like that. I'll destroy, I don't know, I guess I need to call. Is that a can in there? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's a can. Nice can. Okay, back up, baby. You know, there's something killing this grass out here. But you look over there at that grass and it's green and pretty and everything, but something's happening to this. And it just started about a month ago. It's turning brown. It's supposed to look like that over there. He better get that checked out, because it ain't supposed to be brown like that. Not that no, there's something going on there. Get over and see if that's just a box or if it got something in it. We shall see. It had a juicer in it. And that's the right word, had a juicer in it. Now, I'm gonna go over here to I'm gonna call her my window lady friend, because I see her in the window every once in a while. Go over here and, oh my goodness, she got me a big old can. Big old bag. Okay, how am I gonna do this now? Big old bag. I have to squeeze in with my leg. Oh, bye. I thank you, ma'am. You have a good day. Her window curtain is closed this morning. I wish I knew her name, dadgone it. I appreciate it so much, lady friend. I hear a dog barking, but I don't see him. I've had a pretty good morning. I wished I had it all on video, but I don't know what the world went on with this camera. It scares me now. Maybe I ought to have to start carrying both cameras with me and running them at the same time, so I'd have one as a backup. Of course, I couldn't have two on my hat. I could put one on my chest harness. There's a trash can there I'm gonna look at right in front of Lucille's house. Right in front of Lucille's house. Do I see any cans? Nothing. 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 There's them dang crows again. Boy, I'd like to get hold of one of them crows and punch them right in the nose or face or... But I'd punch them. I'd punch them gently. I wouldn't want to hurt them. How in the world would you gently punch somebody in the nose? I wonder if that's got stuff in it. No, dadgummit it. That's gonna be the second one of them I got today. You know what? I'm gonna take that with me. I found one of these already this morning. So I'll take that one. Them's great little buckets when you're micro scrapping small parts and stuff. I think when I get down here to my little rest spot, I'm gonna take these cans and crush them. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I found one of these this morning like this. There comes Roxy and... Hey guys, what's up? What's up? They want some treats? They want some treats? Yeah, Papa got you something. Let me get you a treat. Let me get you something. What, buddy? What, buddy? Come on. Here go, Roxy. Here go, Roxy. You're a hog, buddy. You're a hog. Let me get it. Let me get it. Here we go. Here we go. Alright guys. You want me to throw you some more over? Huh? There we go. There you go, guys. That's enough. That's enough. I'll see you next time, boy. You're good boys, good girls. Love you guys. Okay. See you later. Boy, I wish this thing would go faster. 5 miles an hour. Just poking along. Boy, there's a lot of trash out here. A lot of trash. But as fast as it goes, I see a bunch of trash up there. And that's probably what it is, trash. I ain't never found nothing in that feller's stuff, but I'll look anyway. I will look anyway. There's all kind of trash in there. Maybe I ought to come over here one day with a bag and just pick that stuff up. I might have a bag in there. I think I do. Well, what is it? What is it? It is trash. Well, I see a hat. I always check out hats. What is this? It's clean. And it has, I don't know what that is, but you know what? That's going home with me. Oh, and there's Triumph RV Center. I can wash these. Matter of fact, he's got all kind of hats in them. Whoops. What kind of damn head is that? I'll take that one. Ocala. I'll take that one. I think that's pretty much it. Alright, I don't want to turn this booger over. I like old hats. You can wash them up. I like old hats. I don't reckon I've ever threw a hat away. I've got several hats. These will all go in the wash. My stuff won't turn over. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do a trash run down this street. Cause it needs it. That bottle's been laying there for a while. There's trash up there. The can over there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, folks. I'm gonna do a trash run. You know what? I'm gonna come back out here later today and I'm gonna clean this dang yard up. I swear, it's just unreal the shit crap that they leave out here.